Hello YouTube, what's up? This is Tutagamon. In this video I'm going to benchmark Watch Dogs on two GTX 570s in SLI mode. This is a digital recording at 60 frames per second. The recording takes place externally, so it will not affect this benchmark at all. As you can see, the system is perfectly at idle right now. The system is a Core i7-860 running at 3.9 GHz. It has 12 GB of memory with these timings, and the graphics cards are two GTX 570s running at 850. This is the fraps file that has the benchmark result later. The 41 frames per second average you see here is from the previous benchmark with the single card. Let me start the game now. Let's see the options. I'm using 1080p resolution. Textures at medium, so we will not go to 2 GB video RAM, which is the next setting. Temporal SMAA for the anti-aliasing, and the graphics quality at high, because at ultra system lags a lot at some points. It runs nicely but lags a lot at some points. These settings, however, are pretty nice.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you
One
feel
moment so the next scene passes, because it has a crazy frame rate.
There you are.
Very good. I'm starting a benchmark now.
On the move.
Now, as you can see, if you have already watched my single GTX 570 video, this one runs a lot better. I see at least 50% better performance.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I overreacted. You just make
It is a real pity these cards do not have 2 GB of video RAM.
Aiden? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well,
You're doing it right now.
Idiot.
I can't believe you.
it's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Let what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah. Hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Oh!
Come on, I know you will go to the right. This is the part where the game was getting too slow at ultra settings. It was running with 13 frames per second, and I decided to not use this preset. Run everybody! The performance is quite good, but as you can see, the graphics cards are not maxing out. I would be very surprised if they would, but they are still at 90% or more. I'm quite happy with the Core i7, even after all these years. It is a very nice CPU, and to tell you the truth, I kind of regretted that I did not get a hyper-threaded one for my primary rig. It seems now that after all this time, hyper-threading is put to good use finally, especially in dual GPU mode. I will catch you and I will beat you up. A good thing that the fire truck did not run him over. I need to take you down now, please. You are going to damage my benchmark. Thankfully.
Is that a bot? Hello?
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call.
Beep.
Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks.
And now it's time for the boat ride of the benchmark.
Feels wrong. That's the point.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that?
Sometimes games are really stupid. You press one button
Did you get anywhere with Dead Set? You know CTOS.
and it is not doing anything.
Still trying. They're kicking
Anyway,
Give me time.
Okay, I need your help then.
uh,
Can you trace a
I would like to sink this boat, but it didn't.
Wait. What am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Loom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous. Loom hires private contractors to guard their CTOS centers. These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
And this is the end of the benchmark. Let's see what our good programs have gathered. Task Manager first, with higher CPU usage than the card, but still the CPU had some cycles to spare. not bad. The benchmark result was 58.46 divided by 41. We have a 42% performance increase, not bad. It could be better, I guess. And we see here that the frame rate and the frame times are very nice. The game is very playable, very smooth, very nice. The GPU usage is at a little above 90%, which is not too bad, all things considered. .2 gigabytes of RAM used, which is all of it. The CPU is a little hotter than the single card benchmark, but still very nice temperatures. And the CPU usage again, very nice. And the known 4 gigabytes of RAM used. Okay guys, hope you liked it.